Hey lads, TechScanning here. We all regularly watch tech online, but hands-on experience is something different. Due to the pandemic, we have lost this experience, but after 2 years, IFA made a comeback this year. It is the biggest electronic event where you can get a comprehensive insight into the global tech industry. This year, the show launched from September 2nd to 6th. In this video, we will have a look at some of the incredible tech showcased by the companies. So let's have a look at the LG booth, where you get a jaw-dropping 97 inches OLED display, which is the world's largest display. LG booth also presents the first bendable 42 inches OLED TV. This LG OLED TV unbelievably can go from flat to the curved screen. The LG OLED Flex will ease the life of the gamers as it offers many gamer-centric features. Coming to the next, ASUS has joined the Fold niche by manufacturing its first foldable laptop. So when fully opened, you can see it as a large tablet. ASUS ZenFold 17 also comes with a Bluetooth keyboard to use this large tablet as a desktop computer. The Riley Scooters presents lightweight scooter that can fit into a backpack. Yes, it is incredible. The company aims to manufacture a portable vehicle so people who use public transport can carry with them. Huawei is also there in the IFA 2022. Huawei announced a range of new devices for international markets. So if you are a selfie addict, you would like to hear Huawei introduced a 60 megapixel front camera on their latest set of devices. I'm talking about the Nova 10 series. Alongside the smartphones, Huawei also showcased their Watch T at the trade fair. It is a good device for measuring health metrics like ECG, blood pressure, and heart rate. Next on the list is Urbanista Phone X. It is the world's first active noise-cancelling wireless AirPods that use the latest powerful solar cell technology. So you won't need to be concerned about charging your earbuds before going outside. The earphone's charging case recharged when exposed to any type of light. At IFA 2022, Autel introduced the Evo 2 V3 series, which has all the best features from the Evo 2 version 2 series but has been improved. There are many other improvements, including battery heat dissipation for longer operational durability, multi-G and SS positioning for providing long-range image transmission. Lenovo is also spotted in Berlin, showcasing its multiple products. However, what may impress you is the Lenovo Glasses T1. The glasses offer a functional portable display, great for on-the-go content consumption. It is a great idea to have a big monitor in your pocket that you can utilize anywhere. So which one you like the most and want to get it for yourself? And that's it for today. Do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, take care.